Welcome to our video on Exploratory Data Analysis or EDA. In this quick guide, we'll explore the essential concepts and techniques that make EDA a critical step in the world of data analysis. So, what exactly is exploratory data analysis? Exploratory data analysis, often called EDA, is a crucial process in data science and statistics. It's all about getting to know your data before diving into deeper analysis. Think of it as the first step in uncovering the hidden insights within your data. During EDA, you'll examine your data visually, looking for patterns, trends, outliers, and any other interesting characteristics. EDA allows you to understand the structure of your data, identify potential issues, and make informed decisions about how to proceed with your analysis. Here are some key components of EDA. 1. Data collection, gathering the raw data from various sources, such as databases, spreadsheets, or APIs. 2. Data cleaning, removing or correcting any errors, missing values, or inconsistencies in the data. 3. Data visualization, creating graphs, charts, and plots to explore the data visually. 4. Summary statistics, calculating measures like mean, median, and standard deviation to understand the central tendencies and spread of the data. 5. Outlier detection, identifying data points that deviate significantly from the majority. 6. Correlation analysis, examining how variables are related to each other. By the end of EDA, you'll have a clear picture of your data's characteristics and be ready to make informed decisions on how to proceed with more advanced analysis or modeling. EDA isn't just for data scientists. It's a valuable tool for business analysts, researchers, and anyone dealing with data-driven decision-making. From healthcare to finance, marketing to sports analytics, EDA plays a vital role in uncovering insights that can drive success in various industries. In conclusion, exploratory data analysis is the essential first step in the data analysis journey. It empowers you to unlock the potential hidden within your data, enabling smarter, data-driven decisions. So, start exploring your data today and harness the power of EDA. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of data analysis.